I bought my table saw in 1984. That's a bunch of years ago. And I've got a bunch of jigs. Now how the heck am I going to store them? And what do I use these jigs for? The first jig is a simple crosscut jig. Gives you a nice square cut. The next jig is my picture frame jig. Gives you a nice, good, accurate 45-degree cut on the corners. I've made a couple hundred picture frames with these. This simple piece of pegboard with a fence on one side is what I use for drilling my shelf pins. I've had it for over 30 years. Even my nephew got to enjoy using this simple jig. This next jig holds drawers or anything you need square when you're gluing it, screwing it, clamping it, whatever it takes. So all it does is square up whatever you're assembling. Very handy if you don't have 8 hands. The next jig is for the bandsaw. It's a circle cutting jig. It's adjustable. It's a great jig that I've used again for 30 years. I've had my bandsaw since 1986, and this is a great addition. I like the kind of jig where you push it forward till you get to the center of the circle, then you start spinning your workpiece. Again, there's a slider that moves in and out and a knob on the bottom to tighten so that you can cut almost any diameter circle. A great jig. The next jig is for cutting really small circles, and I made this again about 30 years ago, but I haven't used it much because I haven't cut things that small, except for toy parts. That's when it really comes in handy. And wooden geared clock parts. I forgot about that one. So now I've got all these jigs, and a router table fence, and a few feather boards. How am I going to store all this stuff conveniently? In 2009, I built this table saw cart, and I did couple things right. On the left, I had a nice tall area for jig storage, and this has worked out really, really good. Having nice protected storage for these jigs is why they've lasted so long. So I've had some that didn't get put in there, and they've gotten damaged over the years. So this is a great, convenient, protected way to store your jigs. Another thing I did right with this table saw cart is the sawdust catcher. This drawer is very good. My router table is built into the table saw wings, and I just store my router table fence underneath and one of the feather boards. And now for those long feather boards. On the back of the table saw cart, I put some arms to catch it. It's made out of some old scrap wood, so it didn't cost me anything, and this has been a very convenient way. They get a little dusty, but that's just fine. It works out well. So that's my table saw cart and my jig storage. It has been one of the better designs that I've done in my woodworking. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and ring the bell. I appreciate you watching the Johnsonville Woodworker.